Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows cannot find Winword.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly error here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with run. The moment you have clicked on it, the small window called Run will appear, where here you need to tap for Reg Edit. The moment you have typed that, click on OK to proceed. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you will be able to run this registry editor window. Okay, so here you need to paste a link, which is a registry path link, which I'll be including at the description box below. Or you can simply post this video so that you can take a note or you can take a screenshot out of this path link. Once you're done, proceed by pasting it here at the address bar and then click on enter the moment you have pasted it. Okay. So under the image file execution options, you need to look for excel.exe. The moment you have clicked on it, click this forward arrow and proceed to the first folder and look for the center of the screen. You can see a string value which is debugger. Just have to double tap to it and you need to make sure that all of the value data is being cleared. Make sure that no value data is being set. In my case, I have none. Click on OK once you have ensured such. Proceed to the second folder, go with debugger, double tap to it and make sure that the value data is no value data is being set, click on OK. Once you're done, close this file folder and proceed to the second folder, which is PowerPoint.exe. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, do the same. Okay, and that is to clear all the value data that is being set on the string value. Once you're done, proceed on searching for winword.exe. In my case, again, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, just have to clear all the value data that is being set. Okay? Once you're done, simply close all of these paths and close this registry editor as well and try to access your winword.exe. So you can press Windows and R key together, which is a shortcut to open this run window, and type winword.exe and then click on OK. And there you have that. You are being redirected to the office, which is Microsoft Word. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.